So as I was making this video, Cortana, the Windows lady, not Siri, but Cortana, she interrupted me. I was like, chill out, let me do my video. What's up, man? I'm Ronnie G. All right. Your fellow stock trader, my financial savviness. I'm that person that's passionate about helping people with finances. I'm not here to say nothing, but look, I want to talk about stock trading. Many people have this misconception that you can just jump out in your first year of stock trading and you can be this, millionaire like, a lot of these gurus are telling you. They have the 3-step process to making millions of dollars. I'm gonna let you know that that's a lie. All right, I'm not hating or anything. I'm a stock trader. I'm very successful. I make 6 figures a year. Really averaging 90 grand a year. I'm doing good. So I'm not hating. Some of those guys are really talented. They are good traders. But the misconception, that comes from the marketing is that you can make, these $1 million in your first year or in a short amount of time. And that's just a misconception. And I want to tell people that that's not going to happen like that. Now, you may be, maybe the next, whatever, greatest trader alive, and it may happen to you, but we're talking about consistently every year. It just doesn't happen. Why it doesn't happen? It takes time to learn and grasp this concept of trading stocks. It just takes time to develop information. We all know it takes literally takes 2 years. If you think about college in any degree, any major, and when you're talking about a doctor, a scientist, it takes 8 years to master being this. And even when you have your degree, you still have to learn it and do it. So the misconception of, you're going to become a millionaire, follow these 3 steps, not going to happen. That's a lot. I'm just letting you know. It's not real. It's fake. But what I can tell you, you can do it. Don't get it wrong. Just don't have that. Don't go in thinking, this is what it's going to be. It's going to be, I'm going to come in and I'm going to learn for a month. And then overnight, after that month, 100 grand, 200 grand, 500 grand, $1 million in 1 year. I am the next success story. And I want to teach you how to, bro, no. It's not going to happen like that. Just letting you know the real. So, you say, all right, Ronnie, sounds like you're complaining or hating. What the fuck ever, bro. What I can say is when you want to go in with that mindset, you're going to lose. You're going to lose because then you're going to get upset when you don't hit it in the year. You just are. Don't have that misconception. Go in saying, I'm going to trust the process. I'm going to learn from somebody who's willing to teach me for free, who's willing to give me information, that I can grasp. Or, you can invest in somebody's program or service that is actually going to teach you the ins and outs and the pros and the cons and teach you the technicals and all the nitty gritty stuff that you got to learn when you jump into it. Go in with that mindset. I got to put in this work. It's going to pay off in the long run. I don't know when, but I'm in it to win. I'm not in it to, I want to make some quick money. Stock trading is not like that. Anything in life is not like that. Think about it. Anything in life is never like that. You got to go in with some passion, with a purpose. You don't have to be this amazing, the top stock trader. Learn how to just invest your money, grow it, and do it consistently. Where you investing in your children, you investing in yourself. Invest in yourself. You can read plenty of books, man. You can go to YouTube channels. You're on a YouTube channel right now. So, you can learn from so many people, so many sources. You can join so many groups. There's so many companies out there teaching this. There's so many ads on YouTube. I got the 4 or 5 steps. Look, don't listen to the marketing. When you jump into it, you'll see for yourself. And any successful trader can vouch for me right now. Hey, it's hard. It's hard. If it was easy, don't you think everybody will be just jumping into it? And then there'll be millionaires and you'll be hearing about it on CNN Money and CNBC. And bro, no, it don't happen like that. Going with the mindset, oh, this is a process. It's going to take time. I got to put in the work. I got to work. Even through my struggles, I got to keep going. I got to be self-motivated. I got to hang around people who, support me. Then you'll be successful. That's all I wanted to say. I don't want to say too much. That's just what it is. I'm keeping it real. And this is Ronnie G breaking it to you raw and uncut. I'm just saying. All right, let me finish my noodles because y'all interrupting.